Good day, everyone. Today, me and my group mate will be presenting about Gustave Courbet and the art movement called Realism. First, I will explain who is Gustave Courbet. Gustave Courbet was a French painter born in 1819. He is known as the father of European realism. Courbet believed that art should show real life, not fantasy or imagination. He rejected the grand subject of history and mythology. In fact, he once said, I cannot paint an angel because I have never seen one. So, he focused on painting ordinary people and everyday life.
The group objectives in elaborating Gustave Courbet's realism is to train the eye and mind to see reality clearly and honestly, and to translate that observation into art without distortion or idealization. We understand that portraying ordinary people, everyday activities, and social conditions as they truly exist, emphasizing authenticity over beauty defined by tradition, is a real art that expresses a real emotion of the subject. To follow Courbet's belief that art should reflect the reality of its own time. Courbet believed that artistic talent is natural but becomes meaningful only through hard work and real experience. This belief explains why he rejected mythical or religious figures. As he stated, I have not seen either angels or goddesses, so I am not interested in painting them. The quote shows his commitment to realism, as he painted only what he could see, observe, and experience by making his art honest, grounded, and reflective of everyday human life. The importance of Courbet's realisms are challenge traditional academic arts. By making art more honest and relatable, he broke academic conventions and helped shape art towards realism and modern artistic freedom. Gave dignity to ordinary people by proving that ordinary life is worthy of being the subject of art. Influenced modern art movements by allowing art to speak about the realities of its time, encouraged artistic freedom. Courbet's realism challenged traditional art rules and inspired later artists to explore new styles that focus on reality and personal expression. The main idea of this presentation is to inspire artists of all generations to practice realism, as each era has its own reality to be embraced. Art should show reality, not idealized dreams, and truth is more important than beauty. Finally, on behalf of my group, I would like to thank everyone for listening. This presentation is the result of the shared effort, commitment, and teamwork of all the members that made this presentation possible. God bless everyone.